It's the last minute of the 5-minute extra time. Score 1-1. With 30 seconds to spare, the team goals the winning goal. The crowd went wild. Team members assisting each other. Pride and joy fills every vein in your body. This is the moment you have all been waiting for. Good afternoon, fellow footballers. Are you guys ready to try? Can you give me some noise? It's a football episode. Thank you. I'm so ready to host you for the next 3 days we are going to be together. I welcome everyone to the highly anticipated HNR Block Cup. HNR Block presents HNR Block Cup 7s and 5s football tournament. I'm Neera and I'm thrilled to be your host this evening. For this 3 days, we have various corporate teams coming together to showcase their skills, teamwork, and sportsmanship on football. It's going to be a day filled with fierce competition, camaraderie, and memorable moments. A helping hand always pushes you to reach unfathomable heights. Just like that, we also have our partners who are going to help us to make this a memorable event. Our platinum partner is Star One IT Solutions. They are an IT services company providing specialized IT solutions. Our gold partner is SC Mentor, which is a software engineering company that focuses on DevOps implementation, data engineering, etc. And our silver partner is Dice, who's here. Give them a round of applause for the founding that which is the IT technology solutions provider. Last but not least, a bronze partner, Dantia, which is a leading digital transformation company based out of Canada. Once again, I offer my hearty gratitude to all our partners for their immense support in this meeting in making this event a grand success. Now I welcome our VP, beloved Hari Prasad, who have joined us to give graduates the next crowd.
Good evening all. Everyone tired and first of all I need to welcome our chief guest. He is here and he is a Kerala football player. So welcome and HNR Block as a company, this is the second time we are doing this corporate tournament. Last time we did cricket and it's great to connect everybody together. There are 2 goals of doing this. One is trying to encouraging participation, health, wellness, everything, and second thing is to connect different companies together. So that's our goal. It's been great to host this event, and thanks to all our partners to sponsor this and our organizing committee to put their effort. It's not easy, right? 3 days of effort is absolutely phenomenal. That will be sunny weather. Thank you very much to all of you for doing that actually. And to all the partners, thanks for having me.
Gracing this event with this auspicious presence is our chief guest of today. From Palakkad, 2 times Santosh Trophy winner, Haj Melez. He was the Santosh Trophy goalkeeper from the years 2016 to 2022. He is also a national game silver medalist and was also the Kerala University goalkeeper. He is currently working in the ACB Bangalore. From all of us here, I welcome you to today's incident with some inspiring words from there.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ ഈ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റിന് എല്ലാ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റായിട്ട് ക്ഷണിച്ചിരുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ ഈ കൂട്ടായ്മയും പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ടെക്നോ പാർക്കിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഫുട്ബോൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടായതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരുപാട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്പോർട്സിനോടുള്ളൊരു താല്പര്യം വരികയും പിന്നെ എന്താ പറയുക നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ആരോഗ്യത്തോടുള്ള ശരീരവും പിന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ വർക്കിനുള്ള ദീർഘായുസ് അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴും അത് വരും. പിന്നെ ഇന്നിവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേരാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ എനിക്ക് വളരെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് 2024 ഫുട്ബോൾ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റ് നല്ല രീതിക്ക് മനോഹരമായി തീരട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി.
In our wake today, now I also once again officially invite Hajmal for inaugurating this event with the official kickoff. For inaugurating this event with the official kickoff. Thank you, Hajmal. ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടി നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Since Hajmal is a goalie and we have our VP here, why don't we see his goalkeeping skills and let Hari kick the ball?